Jesus appeared to Peter and commissioned with an intention to commission him to go and preach the gospel to the Gentiles. The Bible says Peter was sleeping and God visited him in a dream. And he showed him and gave him different animals. That's according to the law of shoes and the law of Moses. Were forbidden, that he was not supposed to eat them. When he saw them, God told him to kill and eat them. Peter said, these are unclean. I will not partake into them. God went to look for someone who is not holding strongly in the law of Moses. And he looked for someone who was killing the church of God. Because of what Peter has done, the information and the knowledge of Peter resulted in him refusing to take the message from God. Peter did what was right according to the law. But Peter refused to do the work of God to the Gentiles. If Peter was the only apostle, people like us will never come to hear about the gospel. Jesus was only come to be preached to people of Israel. Because the first man that was told to go and preach denied God. And God went to look for Saul, who was moving in a mission of killing Christians. The Bible says he met him. And when the lightning people, Paul realized that this is Jesus. When he asked who are you, he said, I am Jesus, whom I the one that you're persecuting. And Paul asked Jesus, what do you want me to do for you? This was not an apostle. At the time was the killer of the church. But the man that was an apostle, walking with Christ, and saw how Jesus was healing everyone and forgiving everyone, did not capture the revelation and stop the message of God from going to other nations because of a certain message that is within him. And the Bible says, my people are perishing because of lack of knowledge. If Peter knew that God was up to something, and the ministry of Peter was taken and given to Paul, God will never ate and walked to Jesus. Sometimes we miss the move of God because of what is already inside us. But I am praying for you that may your senses be alive so that you can discern the Spirit of God. May the knowledge that you have already taken not shut a door for a new move of God in your life. May the doctrines that you have been fed over the years not be a stumbling block in the ministry of God in your life. People are stuck in what they were taught and what they know. But Jesus was coming with change. And people were holding on to the old tradition. They did not see that God has shifted the whole land of Israel. They were waiting for Messiah. But when he came, they did not see him. The Bible says the light came to the darkness, and the darkness perceived it not. Jesus came to people who were expecting him, and to people who wanted him. He did not not just appear like a illegal citizens. Isaiah told them he is coming. The prophets confirmed it. That he is coming.